kajing pensikong kalawan Ki British ki kwaman pinjut ya kari Jaintia Hünrei kum talawan ni hubu Kiang ang libas
The Jinjish team to crush Jaintia land, but then arose a warrior, Kiang Nangbah.
Lakas ni kalingkot, ulaping kreya kinong yale Unang-Bah, unong yale Jong ki Jaintia, ubadon kamin siem yale
Ki British ki lakren, Shano
Hünrei ulayo EYMD ban leket Aros verse canons Hünrei la jing stud Kajing yid kari kalong kabadon kam Yalong jowai kila pulom la kamet Hünrei kajing shai kalawan siya jing bishar Through storms and time he crushed the weak Nangbah, king of the people, the courageous. The British said bow down, but he roared, I will never bend. Arrows Jowai, but he stood firm. Love for the land was unbreakable. Along Jowai they spilled blood, but truth rose for justice. Hoy, 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 kajing bishar kalawan. Hoy, 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 Unang-Bah, udong kajing stud. Hoy, 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 Jaintia kiyong yale. Hoy, 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 Jaintia ang day bansya. Hoy, charge, justice comes. Charge, Nangbah stood strong. Charge, crush the invaders. Charge, Jaintia never bows. Unang-Bah, uong yale Kajing yale chongi kalong kabajo. Unang-Bah, ulami nakapinta kajing jongi melong unong yale
Nangbah-The unbroken, your courage is unshakable. Nangbah, you never die. In our lives, you are courage.
Yap dua kajing pun shitom Hünrei me im yokta Kamejong megala pimnaya kajing bishar Ki British kila yasham We hang the leader Hünrei kajing giyed kari Kala job shabakot Watya ka jail, watya kajing bite Kiang Nangbah melong unong yale bakraw Hakis kiminta, ingin mau ya meka jingyale yong meka long kabade. You died in oppression, but never lost. Your blood became justice. The British boasted, we hanged a leader, but love for the land, it won at last.